Hey everyone, today we're going to give you a quick tour of Piano Marvel and how you can use it to learn piano faster. Let's get started. Piano Marvel is more than just sheet music. Piano Marvel was designed by piano teachers and is used by schools, universities, and piano enthusiasts around the world. With over 10,000 songs and exercises combined with powerful learning tools, Piano Marvel is the ultimate piano learning system. You can also use Piano Marvel on PC, Mac, or iPad. Let's take a look at how you learn faster with Piano Marvel. Piano Marvel has hundreds of features, but right now I'm going to show you 3 amazing features that are going to change your life. These are Prepare Mode, Assess Mode, and Practice Mode. Let's start with Prepare Mode. Prepare Mode will help you learn notes and note patterns in the most efficient and effective way. Watch how the Prepare Mode follows me as I learn the notes of this song. When I make mistakes, the red marks appear to help me make corrections. After you've played through the exercise, you'll get a notification showing important feedback about your performance. This information will guide you through any song that you're learning. Once you're getting an estimated score of around 100%, you'll know it's time to use the Assess Mode. Assess Mode gives you scores and feedback on every song that you play. Using this feedback, you can quickly correct mistakes before they turn into bad habits. Green notes show me what I played correctly, and red marks show me my mistakes. Scores are also saved to track your progress as you complete exercises and sections of the Practice Mode. The Practice Mode unleashes one of the best-kept piano practice secrets of all time. This is the same technique used by piano teachers across the world. Practice Mode breaks down challenging music into smaller sections that are easier to learn. With the Practice Mode, you can practice like the pros and learn harder music in less time. Some teachers report that their students learn up to 8 to 10 times faster using Piano Marvel. Now that you have a pretty good grasp on how to use Piano Marvel, I'm going to show you how to navigate it. The dashboard is where you go after logging into Piano Marvel. From here, you can navigate to the 4 main music sections of the app. Those are Method, Technique, Library, and Sight Reading. I'm going to quickly walk you through what each of these sections mean and why you would want to use them. The Method and Technique sections are where you want to go to build and strengthen your basic skills of piano playing. The Library is where you go to learn performance pieces or find even more songs and exercises to practice. There's literally thousands of songs in the library ranging from classical music to pop favorites, and we even offer the ability to upload your own music. The last section I'd like to talk about is the sight reading section known as the Sasser. The Sasser is the only sight reading assessment of its kind and it is an amazing sight reading practice tool. As you can see, there's lots for you to explore in Piano Marvel. Whether you're a beginning or advanced player, we're confident that we'll be able to help you along the journey of becoming a better pianist.